Zero, click here, zero will get deleted. Zero got deleted, but D came on zero position again. Zero you delete, zero delete will happen, but what will happen is array will be rearranged. Array will be rearranged. The next element will come on zero position. Okay. Okay. Go then next. Now, under the hooks folder only, we will create the next folder called API 1, API 2, API 3. Under which folder? Hooks folder. Under hooks folder, create a file called API 1, API 1.js. Okay, hook1.js file. Sorry, API 1.js. Right inside import React, comma, use state, from React. Next import is not required here. Next constant my API 1 equal to constant my API 1 equal to return division class name container 93 export default my API 1 Now come inside this API, right inside call a division class name row division class name call LJ 3 call LJ 3 6 39 312 and keep in beginning one not 3 keep as a 12 MD5 H3 React use the state its API. Okay. Hook written. Write this call inside the app.js file. Check page is loading or not. You can keep this one text center. Let's go to the app.js file. Import API one from API one. Let's go here. API one. My API one. Now come to the which file? Header file. Till fifth we have one, no? 6 months should be there called API one. You can write here hook API one. Okay. The API what we are going to implement using the hook function. We will be implementing through the class also, but it is using the hook function. Okay, okay, is loaded. Go next. Now come inside, create a variable constant state variable called item list. Update item equal to use state with array inside. Okay, hope ready. So how many items inside the array? Zero item, no item. Go here, right here call h4 total items item list dot length. Item list dot length. How many? Zero or something? Zero? Zero will come by default. Zero item. Now write a function here. Write a function called fetch. First write a function called get item. Start from const. Get item equal to fetch. You can write here call item my item dot json. My item dot json dot then response dot json dot then item array alert item array dot length. Item array dot length. This alert will not come. You will not find the length of this. function written. Now first we have to write a file called item.json. There we can store some data. Okay, this is first we are learning how to read the data from other file in local computer, from your computer. Next we learn how to read the data from other server. Fetch, using fetch function. Using fetch function. So item.json. Fetch is Ajax only. Ajax is in JavaScript. Ajax is not in React. In React, Ajax is called by fetch function. The second name of Ajax is what? Fetch function, where in the JavaScript. Now come down, create a file item.json. Item.json in which folder? In public folder. You can see there is a public folder here. Out of SRC, you have a public folder, right? Click on public folder. Inside public folder, create a file item.json. My item.json. It should be under the public folder. It will be under the public folder only. Go inside, write some name of the items. Example, paper. Example, marker. Example, pen. Example, internet. Example, laptop. Example, mobile. Example, money. Then example, smart man. Okay, so this all are suppose data you have stored in a file. Now this all the data we need to read from here and display in that file. The API 1.js file we have created. In that we need to read the data from here and display over there. Okay, hope ready. Save the file. After that, come to the app API 1.js file. Have you given any comma in the last? No comma. Semicolon in the last? No semicolon. Okay. Come down to the API 1.js file. Function we have written here, get item. It will go to the my item.json file, bring the data from there and give to the item array. Item array length will come. But we have to call this function. Which function? Get item function. You have to create a button, click on that, it should call. Come here. write a button, write a button, keep inside, so items, class name, btn, btn hyphen, danger, m3. M3. Next, after that, on click, equal to call the function. What is the function name? Get item. As soon as you click on button, below it will display the length. As soon as you click on button, below it will display the length. Okay, hope ready. So now click on button. Here the list should come. Not list, length should come. How many items are available in your array? Hmm? Oh, alert is coming. Okay, no problem. So alert is coming on click. Sequence, how many people are getting alert? No alert? On click. Click, huh? Which error?
Not sure the data.
You wrote or without writing you are checking. Where is the my.json.json file? My data.json file. You have error in book 4. Check there.
For its working.
Book 4 is working. Okay, come there then. API 1. Okay, understand. No. You have written user state. It should be user state. Go to the
Sir, error response is not defined.
Hmm?
Response is not defined error.
Check the spelling. Capital small. Reload the page.
Yes, yes.
User state, you have written somewhere user state. Coming. Now let's go. Button click, you got the alert, right? Now instead of putting the alert, this item array, we will send to the update item. Item array, you call here update item. Call the update item. Under the update item, send the item array. Okay. Now using update item, the item array you are sending to item array you are sending to item array you are sending to a update item. From update item where it will go? Item list. As soon as you click on button, immediately below it will display the length. As soon as you click on button, immediately below it will display the length. Getting the length. Once you click on that, it should display the length. Click here, length came. We need to use the map function and print all the element in the bottom. So go after 4, H4. Map function will remain same, array remain same, only data came from somewhere else. So item list dot map. Name of the item as well as index of the item. Return p tag. Inside p tag, you will put the name. And for paragraph, you have to put the key property as index.
Syntax is same. API syntax is same.
API syntax, this is always same. Fetch function you have used in JavaScript also, remember? Here this line got changed. Fetch function you have not used in JavaScript. You have used, no? At this place we used to write the map there. But now instead of writing there map, we are writing under the HTML. So now all the data are coming. Now, but it will come on button click. It will not come on load. So what should happen when the page should load? This data will come. But we'll try for other three. Please check once and confirm data is coming or not. Mhm. What you are writing, you are not aware of it. Go there, the code. Where the road? Can see on the road. Not the written under the flower pattern. Like to the also you are not well. Well or not well? Well only, but out of control. Daily you write map function inside the flower bracket. Today you wrote map function without flower. Searching for the mobile. Where is my mobile? Where is my mobile? Someone told your mobile is in your hand. Okay, so we should move next. One data is coming. This is on click. Now we are going to bring one more data from somewhere else on load. So keep your internet connected. Let's come write the next function. First key is public folder. Public folder where you can keep the photos, you can keep image, you can keep the JSON folder. JavaScript file will be going under the SRC folder. Now create another constant called user list. User list. Update user. Use state. Now come down. Write a function called get user equal to use the fetch function. Inside fetch function, I will give the URL. Come down. Dot then response. Response.json. Dot then user array. Alert. User array dot length. Okay, function is written. Now target is this function should bring the data from somewhere else. Let me give you the URL. You have used that URL already in your JavaScript. Now let me give you in the chat also. Add that URL here. Now come up. We have another function that is called huge effect. Huge effect. Huge effect. Huge effect. We have a function called huge effect. It's a hook function that will help you. What it will help? Let's come down. First, you call huge effect on the top. Come now. Right here, huge effect. Huge effect. Huge effect. The way of calling is different. This syntax you can remember. Huge effect we can call like this. We imported here on the top huge effect.
Inside use data.
Huge state, huge effect, both are function. You can call multiple together. Okay, now come down below. Use effect to call here. Put comma, a square bracket is it 1. What is that? Use effect will call only one time. In the last square bracket, put comma 1. So that use effect will call only one time. Come inside, keep a alert, check it is calling automatically or not. Save it, check is it calling automatically. Automatically alert will come. Whenever the page will reload, automatically that alert will come. That meaning this function is calling automatically. Function is calling automatically. So what is the use of the use effect? Use effect will get called automatically on load. Whenever your page will refresh, use effect function will get called automatically. Use effect function, what it will do? Use effect function only just get called on load automatically. Now when it is calling automatically, call inside the function called get user. Get user function you can call inside. Get user function call inside. So when the use effect will call, get user will also get called automatically.
And definition.
Use effect is the hooks function, it get called automatically on load. Use effect is the hook function, it get called automatically on load. Okay, so now see what is the length? 10. Check now. Here is the alert. Data is coming from this URL. That data is total 10 users. Data is coming from that URL. That is a total 10. Check now. After adding the get user function, is the 10 we are getting or not? So we should get the total as a 10. No one replied. Alert. Let's go ahead. You have a function here called update user. Using the update user function, you can send your user array to user list. Using update user function, you can send user array to where? User list. Keep here 1. This line is compulsory. You have to keep there 1. If you not keep that, there will be problem. Hmm? 1. 1 means one time. Come only one time. Not alert will come only one time. It will call the function only one time. Which function? Use effect. Use effect will execute only once, so that get user will call only once. Hope ready? Save now and come down below. Go to the second call LG3. In the second call LG3, we have to display the another map function in second call LG3 total users user dot length user list dot length user list dot map. Okay, keep here called user, print here user dot name user dot name. It will print you some Chinese name, English name. Okay, so ready? See now, on load it's saying 10 users. This will come on click. When you click here, then it will come, but this will come on load. As soon as your page will load, this list of 10 users will come here. One data from the local computer, another data from the server. One on button click, second one on load. Hope ready? Ahira? Length is coming. Check this URL. You have a problem with the URL, because of that it has asking. This URL first open separate. Once is open separate, if URL is correct, why data will not come? See from here to here to see the mirror thing. Are you calling you just effect on the top? Here this many lines. Open that URL in browser. Go to your page. Use effect. This length not here. I asked you replace read this line I've added. Keep that line. That line has the problem. Come on. We have used inside the 3 or where we have used. See 1 3 open close. This is another 3. Where is your 3? So me. Where I start? First 3. Second one. Click on no. Click. First 3. One. Two. Everything is not closing. Go up. 12 is open. Where you close the 12? Close the 12 after H2. What is the syntax of? Syntax is here. This is the syntax.
That is one. One.
1 to execute 1 time. It will go infinite. Where you close. Remove extra division. Check now. Come in. Map. Where you have used the map? Where is the map? User list dot map. User list dot map. After that, inside that t colon key name. What is the array name? Check on the top. User list dot length. User update user list. Come down. User list where you follow. Go to browser again. Come down. Anything in the below? No. Then what is the map function? Can you scroll down? In your page, you have anything else? Not here. In the browser, I'm talking. Go to the code again. Where is map function of second loop? What's wrote in that? User is dot map. User dot name. Delete that line. Try it again. This one. Any line delete. Keep here and write here. Map. Delete complete map. It will go under the infinite loop. The map use effect will start calling continuous. You will not get the data. Use effect will go under the infinite. You will not see the data. So always to call one time, you have to use one. Reload the page again. Go to the code again. Go in the beginning. Remove that total users. See what is happening. Below. Remove that user, total user. This one. H2.
Create new.
Save once in browser. Go to the code. Control Z again. Total users has come. Total users. User list dot length. After that. So what is that? User list dot map. User comma index. You have to write return. Paragraph should be in the return. Not there. Return where you have written. Here you have written return. This here is not return. Return is required. Oh. Okay, so hope no error. It's in every line you are facing problem here. Where you have written the length. Open this URL first in browser. There. Internet you have. Copy that URL. Replace here. Then you have written alert was coming there before.
Yes, sir.
User array. Update user. User array. User array. Get user. Use effect. Use effect. Are you calling use effect on the top? Go in the beginning. Check use effect. Have you called there? Use EFFECT. Save the file. It says there's some problem. Length is not coming. That is, reload the page once. Summon the CMD. Go to the get user function. Get user function equal to, okay, remove this line, keep the alert here. Alert user dot length. Alert is coming.
No, sir.
Reload the page. Shows the error again. Interactive app.
Yes, sir.
Open the URL again. Enter. Open another URL. Paste here again. Enter. Complete code again. Use effect, how you call? Use EFFECT. Use state, use effect. Update user, use state, get user, then response.json, then user array, then alert, user array.length, use effect, use EFFECT, use effect, get user one, compare our use effect and check your use effect. Remove the get user function from use effect. Keep the alert. Keep anything, hello, in double quote. For Nadeem and other people, pages are loading. Hope your data comes on load. We have problem in another file, not in this file. It's saying two file is not set. Can you check that? What are the files are not set? Come to the API again. Code.js not found. Export default. In hook 4.js we have the error. Function is not closed here. Only that much, one more thing. Before function return will be closed. Function symbol. Check now. Okay, clear this one. Now show me the fetch function. We may have done some wrong on the fetch function. Fetch function. Const a. What is it? Huh? This is not flower bracket, it's a square bracket. modify quickly. But here length, okay. You can add this line, it will come. Add this line, then go. Remove dot length. Now call under the, yes, call here, get user. Okay. Syntax difficult. Okay, so 2 is coming, 2 data is coming, correct? We need to add some more, we will get some more data. So write one more function here. Come. Write one more function called const car list, comma, get car, use the state. Next, after that, write a function called get car. First, this get car function call here.
So if you want to use a cookie, we can call
Multiple function. Now go here, copy the same thing, paste here as well. Here we can change the URL. That URL came to a chat. Next, after that, call here update car. And use here car array. Okay, ready? Now car list dot length you need to display. Come to the last three. Or you can create a 6 here directly. Remove 1 3 and 1 3 you can expand into 6. Create a row. Div, not row directly. This would be 6. Next 3. Car list. Car list dot length. Car list dot length. Total cars will be 23. Total cars will be 23. Not came. Pick anyone, getting the length, car list 23. My internet is slow or something for you people. No length is not given. Okay, let's come here. Print below this car list dot map. Car info comma index. Enter paragraph. Car info dot model. Car info dot price. No data. All are connected with the info campus. Change the network. Look like the network is not running. Okay. Change the network. Data is coming. For you, data is coming. This one, what's the name? Moidin. Moidin or Nadim. Nadim. It should print the car list. Name price should come. Info campus network is not working. Try your mobile data. It should come. Mobile data you connected. For you, mobile data you connected. It will work. Problem is of internet.
Also, everything is connected.
Car list is not coming. Car list are you calling under the use effect? Use effect. Update car, car array, car list, update car. Check here. For here it should work. Okay, next after that, coming car. Okay. Next will be, we will learn on next part, like how to post the data. These all are receiving the data. We will learn how to post the data. I will give you one URL. You can implement that in your home. Comments and user. In that, whichever the data is coming, you display in page. These two URL I will share in the chat. So comment and this users read all the data from there and you can display in your page. You can create some separate component, one called comment, another one is called maybe user rest or any comment, maybe in this project or other project. And in that you can read the data from this both the pages and display. In user, you can read the data from user, display in table. In comment, read the data from comments and display in table. It will be good practice for you. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow again. We can end it.